Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to unfriend someone on Discord. Maybe you have too many friends on Discord or one of your friends is causing trouble and you want to remove them from your friends list. So today I am going to show you how to unfriend someone on Discord. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your Discord application and log into your account. Once you are logged in, tap on these three horizontal lines at the top left corner of the screen. From the menu below, tap on this friends icon. Here, you will see all of your friends on Discord. Now, select the friend that you want to unfriend. For example, I want to unfriend this person, so I will tap on their username. Once you have selected the friend, a window will pop up, and here, tap on these three dots at the top right corner of the window. A new window will appear, and here, tap on this Remove Friend option. After that, you now have successfully removed the user from your friends list. They won't be able to see your status or message you unless you add them back to your friends list. There you go. If you wanted to know how to unfriend someone on Discord, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to unfriend someone on Discord, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.